Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos in Yeeps hide and seek. To begin your culinary adventure, you'll need to gather 3 distinct ingredients scattered across the map. Once collected, head to the designated crafting station, which has received some exciting updates. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you master the art of taco creation and boost your in-game score. Get ready to become a taco-making master. Now let's talk about gathering those crucial ingredients. The tortilla, your base, is typically found in the more open, accessible areas, often near the initial spawn points. For the filling, you'll want to explore the more secluded and hidden corners of the map. Think behind structures or in small alcoves. Finally, the topping often resides in higher, more challenging-to-reach locations, requiring a bit of Parker or clever navigation. Happy hunting! Once you have all 3 ingredients in your inventory, it's time to head to the crafting station. Look for its distinctive glowing taco icon, usually found in a central or easily accessible area. Approach the station and interact with it to bring up the crafting interface. This updated system is very intuitive. Simply drag and drop each of your 3 collected ingredients into their designated slots. It's a quick and satisfying process. With your delicious taco now crafted, it will automatically appear in your inventory, ready for delivery. Your next step is to locate the delivery zone, which is clearly marked on your minimap with a special drop-off icon. Simply walk into this zone with your taco, and it will be automatically submitted. Each successful taco delivery earns you a generous 25 points, significantly boosting your score and helping your team win. Keep those tacos coming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.